Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt like your life is just scattered? Like you've got things in your head, things in your phone, reminders you forgot, and events you missed, and somehow, even with all the technology we have today, it still feels like you're falling behind. Because that's exactly how I felt. And it wasn't just me, it was my whole family. The problem is, schedules didn't line up, plans overlapped, and important things slipped through the cracks. And honestly, it gets frustrating, right? But then I came across something that completely changed how we organize our lives.
This is the Pastigio AI Calendar.
And this isn't just a calendar, okay? This is like having a smart assistant, a family hub, a life organizer, all in one place. So let's break it down here in a way that actually makes sense. Because at first glance, you might think, okay, cool, it's just another calendar. But actually, it's not. This is an AI powered scheduling system designed for real life, especially for families. And you know what the biggest difference is? It doesn't just store your schedule, it actually understands it. Now, let's start with something that honestly surprised me. This calendar can listen, read, and even scan your life. And I mean that literally. You can take a picture of something like a school schedule, a flight ticket, even handwritten notes, and it will automatically extract all the information and turn it into events. There is no typing here, no manual input. All it does is snap a picture and it's done. Or if you're like me and you're always on the go, you can literally just talk to it.
Hey, can you remind me in 5 minutes I need to cook for dinner?
And it just handles it. That's a completely different level of convenience. Now here's where it gets really interesting, especially if you have a family. Now this isn't just for one person. This is built for multi-user collaboration. So everyone in your household can be connected. Now of course, everyone has their own schedule, but everything lives in one place, which is great. The best thing about this is you can switch between people instantly. You basically tap their profile and boom, you see their day, their task, their progress, all at glance. The best thing about this is that, you don't need to ask them, hey, what are you doing today? It's all there already. Now, this next feature I think is genius, okay? It turns everyday life into something a little bit more fun. There's actually a task and reward system built in. So when someone completes a task, like for example, clean the house, take out the garbage or something like that, they earn points. And those points can be tied to rewards. This is huge for families with kids, and they can tally up rewards, and then you can reward them in real life. Like for example, we get to eat out, or you get a small item from the grocery store. The best thing about this as well, it becomes like complete your task, earn your rewards, and build habits that way. Super easy, right? It creates motivation without forcing it. Now let's talk about customization, because this is where it starts to feel personal. You can actually create your own AI avatar, which is great. You basically just take a selfie and it generates a digital version of you. You can change styles, outfits, and update it anytime. And now your calendar doesn't just feel like a tool. It feels like it belongs to you. Now, another thing I love is how everything connects. Because let's be honest, most of us are already using Google Calendar, iCloud, and different apps, right? And switching between them is annoying. But this pulls everything into one place. So now, no more jumping between apps. All you have to do is look at the screen and you're good to go. It's all there. Personally, I think visually, this thing just works. I just love how you can switch between day view, week view, and month view. Whatever fits your workflow. It even shows real-time weather as well, where you can switch out from Celsius or Fahrenheit, and it automatically adjusts brightness based on your environment. So whether it's in your kitchen, living room, or even office, it just blends in. But here's the part that hit me differently though, okay? This isn't just a productivity tool. It actually becomes part of your home, because it also works as a digital family photo album. You can upload photos from your phone, and when it's idle, it turns into a screensaver, like a digital picture frame. So instead of just seeing tasks and reminders, you see memories, moments, and possibly landscape photos like mine. And then when it's time for something important, it switches back and reminds you. But wait, it doesn't stop there. It celebrates birthdays as well. It shows holiday visuals, has voice reminders that actually speak to you.
Start editing the video. Import your clips, trim and arrange them on the timeline. Check audio and transitions, and preview before exporting.
Now at this point, you start to realize something. This isn't just about scheduling. It's about bringing structure to your life without making it feel stressful. It's about helping your family stay connected without the constant communication breakdown. It's about turning chaos into clarity. And that's why this stands out, because most calendars, they just sit there, right? You forget about them and you ignore notifications. You fall behind. But this actually pulls you back in. It interacts with you, it adapts to you, and it grows with you. So if you're someone who feels like, life is getting busy, schedules are getting messy, and you just want something that actually works, this might be exactly what you need. Now, if you want to check it out, I'll leave everything down in the description below. And if you're into smart tech, AI tools, and stuff that actually improves your daily life, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. I also started a new group, so it'll be in the description below as well. You can ask me anything in that group and I'll be able to help you on that. I can put in future tests there as well. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.